Hello everyone. So let me ask you something. What if I told you that you could start building your wealth right now? So while still enjoying all the things you love, so I won't ask you to sacrifice anything, okay? Today I am excited to share with you a powerful investment strategy that's perfect for like young investors like you, okay? So that is SIP, the smart way to invest in India, okay? So I know what you are thinking, that investing seems complicated and risky when you are just starting your investment, and then like most of you must be starting your investment right now, right? And then also market looks very like scary, right, with all its ups and downs. Then many of you might believe that you need large sum of money to start investing, but that's all the misconception that I am going to break today. Okay, so here's the key principle I want to share. So what you have to do, pay yourself first, okay? Whether it's your pocket money, internship earning, or any freelance income that you are generating, before planning any expense, set aside a small portion for your future, thinking of it as giving a gift for your future self, okay? Once you have secured your investment, you can freely enjoy spending the rest on coffee, movies, food, or whatever you enjoy completely guilt-free, okay? So many of your like parents used to tell you that if you will save your money, like rather than watching Netflix or having coffee every day, if you don't spend on those things and if you save that money, then you would have built wealth of this much. But I won't tell you that. I will tell you that first you save that money, whatever like dream you have, whatever your financial goal is there. So for example you are earning 25,000, okay? So 5,000 you want to save every month, so keep that money apart, and then 20,000 whatever you want to do you can do, okay? So what you have to do, you have to make a principle that first of all you have to save that 5,000 and invest that through SIP, okay? So here I will demonstrate you. So what will be the effect if you put your money into SIP and what is the difference, okay? So this is very interesting. So look at this real example from 2020. During the COVID-19 market crash, investor who put in a lump sum of 3 lakh, okay? So in January 2020, Nifty was at 12,200, okay? And within 2 months, in March 2020, the market crashed and it went to 7,500. So it was 40% down. And what happened to investment also? It went down to 180, okay? So why this happened? Because you put whole your money, lump sum money, 3 lakhs in January 2020 when the market was quite high, 12,200, and immediately after that it crashed. So what is the benefit of SIP? So those who choose SIP route, they will accumulate more units at lower price. So this is what we call rupee cost averaging, okay? So when you receive your like monthly allowance or earning, consider first setting aside even a small amount, maybe 500 or 1,000. So for SIP you just need 500 rupees, okay? That is a minimum amount you can start every month. So that becomes your investment in your future, okay? The remaining money is yours to enjoy without any guilt or compromise. This way you are building wealth while living your life to the fullest, okay? So that's very easy. So now I will show you. Show you how you can average, like rupee cost averaging. I'll explain you. So assume you want to invest 1,20,000 in Nifty, okay? Nifty 50, you know, that is the most popular index, okay? So lump sum amount in January 2023, 18,200. If you spend that, so you get only 6.6 units, okay? And in SIP investment, what happens that every month you are investing 10,000, okay? That brings to 1,20,000 in a year, right? So what you are doing? In January, you are getting 0.55 units at 18,200. Then in April, 60 units, 0.60 units in 16,500. So you can see total SIP units is 7.1. Okay. And this has been done after, okay, when market dipped. So we have averaged it down. So it has come to 7.1 instead of 6.6 units. So that is the difference of the units in 1 year itself. Okay. So that shows how you can average your costing, right? What we can conclude from here, SIP investor accumulate more units when the market dips, giving them high return over time. Okay. So the best part is that you don't have to be a financial expert or have huge savings. SIP are budget friendly. Just start with a small amount, 500 per month. Okay, that is the minimum amount you need to have to invest in SIP through SIP. Okay, then it is a disciplined approach. So automatic deduction means you don't have to remember to invest. Okay, so most of the time we are like, we plan that we will invest but we don't get time. So this SIP makes the investment disciplined also. Okay, so if you choose a particular date like for 5th of every month, then automatically on 5th of every month your deduction is there and your like money is invested into SIP and you don't have to remember any dates or anything. Okay, and then it is also considered stress free. Why? No need to time the market or worry about daily fluctuations. So you don't have to be bothered like oh god, market is moving down, oh god, market is moving up, because you don't have to track anything over here. Okay, so as you sit here today, time is your biggest advantage. Every month you delay is a missed opportunity for your money to grow. So remember, it's about the not about the amount, it's about the building the habit of investing first and then spending. Okay, so this is what you have to remember. The most successful investor aren't always the ones with the most money. They are the ones who started early and stayed consistent. So that's what you have to learn from this PPT or from this drive, mutual fund drive, which we started, right? So let's take the first step towards your financial freedom today. So what you have to do, our team is there to help you to get started with a personalized SIP plan that fits your goals and budgets. Okay, so you just have to share small details which we have asked you, like your financial goal if you have any, or any SIP amount which you have decided for yourself, and then the time horizon which you are looking if you have any financial goal, right? Otherwise we can if you whatever amount you want to invest, you can tell us and we can plan a like SIP this thing and share with you. Okay, presentation and then share with you, and that will be a very customized plan and that will show you what benefits you can derive from investing in SIP. Okay, so give us a time horizon also and financial goal or SIP amount which you want to invest. Okay, so thank you, and if you have any query you can contact us here.